Welcome to our tutorial on how to install the thesis template for Word. This tutorial is for Word 2011 Mac OS. First, you need to download the template from our webpage. Download the template for Word 2011 by right-clicking the link Word 2011 and saving the file to your desktop. The file is a compressed folder with the name shown here. Right-click the folder and choose Open With. Choose Archive Utility. The folder will now be uncompressed and show up on the desktop with the same name. Open the folder. Here you see the template. Open Word and click File, Open. Select the template on your desktop and click Open. The template will open. Click to enable content. Click File, Save As, and save a copy of the template in the preset destination, My Templates. Select File Format, Word Macro Enabled Template, and click Save. Close the template and delete the original file that you downloaded. The UU template is now installed. To open a new document with UU Template View, click File, New from Template, click File, Save As. Find a suitable folder to place your document and save as Kappa. Make sure that the file format is set to Word document. You are now ready to start writing your thesis.